Promise. Me come me to you. And I said me can't nature chin musa. Mrs. So Enriana me the call. Me cost of the same minima de call.
Kwa nature chin.
A chin musa.
When you show say be a engine break it down.
Minim dear hello. Minim fault.
It can be engine fault.
Oh yes, sure.
Or maybe the accelerator is not working well. Or it can be the fuel pump. Yeah, fuel pump and it can cause that problem.
I don't a mechanic.
Yeah, I'm a professional mechanic.
Yeah,
I'm a fuel pump mechanic. When the petrol cannot surrogate inside the engine, when the petrol cannot surrogate into the engine, it causes that problem.
Very funny.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Wait, Mr. Boamina mentioned
one problem is that I don't have my tools here, but let me see. Do you have a screwdriver? Okay. Do you have a what? No. This is not a screwdriver. Okay. I'm talking about this. Yes.
But this is not a screwdriver. Your friend is sir.
Hey, this.
Oh, you're sure so you're a mechanic.
Oh yeah, I'm a mechanic.
Okay, what am I your money?
Let me see the pump. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, wait for me. I'm coming.
Now, bro, how so we check here?
No, the fuel pump. Maybe the fuel pump. I'm checking the fuel pump. Hold it for me. Hold it. I'm coming. No, I'm coming. The fuel pump, I'm coming. You wait, relax.
So should I hold it?
Yeah, you just hold it. Hold it perfect. Okay?
Okay. And that's I thought so.
Yeah, I mean the fuel pump. I'm coming, don't worry. You just don't worry. I'm coming. I will solve that issue. I will solve the problem once and for all for you. Don't worry.
If you can't do it, let me call my mechanic. Please.
Your mechanic?
Yeah.
No, I'm a professional mechanic. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing from book. From book. You wait.
Catch you chinny, walk with you tight. Now, bro.
You just wait. Well condition, does it work? Your condition?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. I think you don't have engine oil. The engine oil can cause the problem. Engine oil. Let me check the engine oil first.
Ram penning some more. When you saw to me, I'm a mechanic.
Oh, don't worry. As far as you are a beautiful lady, I swear my mother, I will help you. I will do anything for you. You are beautiful. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Amma.
Amma what?
Amma, you just...
Okay, Amma. Hey. Wow. Amma, there is a problem.
What problem?
The wagon is not working.
Can you see the money?
Yes, the wagon is not working.
Can you do something about it for me?
Yes, the wagon is... When the wagon is not working well, it can make the car stop.
Okay, then please do it for me.
Yes, I'm doing it. I'll try and fix it for you.
Then be hurry.
I'm hurry. The reason is... the reason is... These cars have a big problem. Yes, it's called a SUNUTU problem. Do you know a SUNUTU problem?
No.
A SUNUTU is the process whereby the ant wire and the earth wire cannot be in touch.
Really?
Yes, really. The wagon will work very soon.
Then please do it.
Yes, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Hurry.
Yeah, I'm hurry. The wagon. Sister, mean to me.
Ah, this a moon and meeting is on.
My waste two time. Bye bye. Next time you be here.
We have full power. What's in Cesar so soon?
Thank you. My home will be here.
We have full. We have full. Come, what's it? When you
two brothers go so cheap.
You know, we don't want to celebrate cranny. And away. Let me say, the ain't papa. Menya kwa repair car yansa na makomiti. I'm very washed me no idea. Ah, Natai na way you know when there's some
Oh, tika say wo trem fofora. Edin kan no, how say as package one of them edin ka. So what you say? Enti say obes package car we automatic car. Enti answer na sorry. Sorry. Answer na obes package car no. Oh, sorry.
I'm trying to driving and I say.
Bro. The answer obes package no. Obedin kan tier brake. Two tier brake no so afi. No was package. It's still na on 9. Okay. Okay, still na
on 9. What you call the old chairman on me part?
Still na nice break no so. Na afi. What be change at the akọ 2D we automatic car to drive. So na nice break and do person move one way you 9 every break no so. I say okay. And the back on kakran speed no so na afi no what near what here accelerator no so. But years later, so on say, but it becomes smooth. So, anytime you are being some, you know. So what you say, to get the first one, we are this now our better. Hey, now why? Don't worry. Me share that school. You're driving. Yeah. So what you say? Yeah, and I'm professional trainer in driving. Yeah. So don't worry. I can make you drive from here to Accra, from here to Takoradi, Togo, Morocco.
Hey, Morocco.
Yeah,
from Ghana to Morocco.
Yeah, I drive from Ghana to Morocco. I drive from Ghana to France. I drive from Ghana to Germany, UK. Yeah, I'm a professional driver. So let's go. Yeah, into now. Two percent speed in the double. I know what we call me accelerator. Oh yeah. So. See, additional driving. Yeah, I want to get crank.
It's simple.
Oh, it's simple, but it's not all that simple. Yeah, so I'll make you perfect. Don't worry, I'll make you perfect.
I'll be very glad.
Oh yeah, don't worry. Trying to feel me my beautiful clients learning car driving. Nice. Soon, we need a break. And I the open about to accelerator. Into what the 9 way. Everybody accelerator, brake, accelerator. So when you brake in the accelerator, you brake in the accelerator. So when you, but it's a brake in the middle. This the brake. Oh, sorry. So I'm teaching you the thing.
I know, but as opposed to tell me.
Oh, sorry.
What take that opportunity?
No.
I didn't know.
And to say, be a baby son, I would know. Say,
you won't say when your papa on. What shall me driving and answer who found the me are they?
I saw my catcher. Me, driving, I'm experience in driving. Not
shall be driving a woman, me are there, oh dear.
Okay, don't worry.
Who boom go to Germany? Don't. Oh, Shama means senior, oh, chile.
What do you see?
Me senior day.
See, I'm in there. Oh, this.
Just like that.
Oh,
that's what a man to can.
Some metro, why? Okay. Bye next week, okay?
Not day.
Mimi na day. Now boom me Jimmy for.
I'm a booster and Jimmy for saying.
Some me family car and some tofu and womb and fancy country. Now me try me search.
I said the one as who a good Samaritan. It's who so shame me a damn now. bra wo ne man ka bibia wo so wo kire me driving ne keke she na o kire na say na be de ne ka me ko pesca ko tua ma driving school for enye wo kwa na ka menya license
any ko driving school me say driving school na pa ma cho wo na top petrol gun ah wo me tro ka adwumi say wo bu me na wo yese hwe
na say wo take that opportunity me pa cho to go bra na kwa rekwa dey she me driving na enu ti wo ba be so me just like that she no kire wa she why you fool na wo sa wonya gentleman sa she say fool ba we jam ye sim me ne makra wo ebufo na de ko bo wan so ko crash ni o kire wo say we jam wo nso imwe dem am ko pet taxi. Hey, now Sanya and think I might be driving. Fast assembly.